Magandang hapon po. Ang aming we are the group 2. Ang aming ang tawag niyan? Aming agenda is coastal cleanup. And to formally start our program, ibibigay po namin sa aming club president to our confirmation of our quorum. Okay. Eagle President Kuya Melchor Abenales.
By the authority vested on me of the Cosmopolitan Future Homes Eagles Club, I do hereby declare that this meeting is formally open.
Inanyayahan ko po ang lahat na tumayo for our invocation, singing of Philippine National Anthem, and especially our Eagles hymn. You may now sit down. Okay, roll call po tayo. Say present if matawag po ang inyong pangalan. Eagle President Kuya Melchor Abenales. Eagle Vice President Kuya Rexel Neri. Secretary Jericho Vicente.